Hi friends, good evening. Today we will discussions of subordinate enters and subordinate defines and returns on how can we use and this type impact of PLC so that you see like that this is the Omron PLC. Omron and programmer that like the versions and programmer the CX programmer show is the most important topic. This is the subordinate call instructions that is called the 091 that is the defined function ko SVS and SVN define the subordinate enters and supports numbers and returns down the PLC scan times and how can we use and what the impact of PLC. Here check the SVS 091 thus defined the one number so it enters the number, so this is the starting of the call points and that the condition the fulfill at T172 timers are going on and P off, that is the flag of Omron PLC, that is the always off, so normally that the normally close and then going the what memory of the 63010 the going on and then program the call SVS 091 that enters the subordinate numbers define the one, show that is the call of one, so we trace the one where is the program show. Now you should check the SVN and 092 then jumping to this run and the power cycle always going on, so set the memory and work memory set is the 1.01 reset emergency is going on and then again subordinate numbers are going to enters the 2 and then return. So now return is not completed. Return is not completed, and you can see here like the SBS 091 the subordinate number is the 2 defines the call. So call the jump and 2. Now this runs is and this program is going on and that is the going on and then reset returns then again to return the same last program. So if you have any concerns regarding the subordinate numbers and subordinate defines and call and returns, so you can ask to me. I will support and anytime support. Oh, thank you for watch this video.